Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing something very, very different. We are making the cult classic menu item from Halloween Horror Nights here in Orlando, pizza fries. Let's go. Now we're doing our best to replicate these. We don't have a recipe we're going off of or anything like that, so we're just gonna kind of do our best and we'll see how we measure up. First thing you wanna do is get your ingredients out and ready. Put some oil in a pan, let it get nice and hot. Also have your sauce out and ready, heat it up. This was pre-made from a nice Italian lady named Holly, who you guys are very, very familiar with. It was homemade, so this is not from a can. But you also wanna make sure you have your cheese out and ready as well as your pepperoni, because that is two very, very important ingredients to pizza fries. Now the fries we're gonna use are fries I'm not a huge fan of, but this is what Universal uses. They use the crinkle fries. So make sure you pour them into there once it's nice and hot and they will start frying up. You can also use a bake pan if you don't wanna deal with all the oil and stuff, but for best results, you definitely wanna get them nice and crispy in that oil. Stir them around to make sure they don't stick together, because that can cause them to clump up and make fries that are not the best.
While those are cooking, make sure you get the broiler ready. Turn it on high, because what you're gonna do with that, once you assemble the fries, you're going to put them in the oven on high and melt that cheese.
Once they're done and ready to be taken out of the fryer, dry them as best you can with like a paper towel or something that you can make them dry so they don't get super, super greasy. Let them dry a little bit, let them sit, and then you wanna hit them with some seasoning. The best seasoning for these is gonna be a little bit of salt, sea salt. The more coarse you can make it, the better. And some simple black pepper. Just makes it a little spicy around the edges, and salt and pepper are good seasonings of French fries. Obviously you've had it before, nothing groundbreaking there. Once you have seasoned them to taste, take as much of this sauce as you want and pour it over those fries. There is no reason to worry about portion control. You are not making a profit. You are here at home enjoying yourself. Get it how you like it. I like a lot of sauce. See, lots of sauce, as much as you can do. I did 2 layers of sauce. Oh, so good. Oh my gosh, it's making me hungry just rewatching this. Once you have enough sauce on there for yourself, pile that cheese high. And this is another thing you could probably do multiple layers on. Throw some cheese on there. Mozzarella cheese is what most people would use on pizza fries, and I believe this is the same blend they use over at Halloween Horror Nights at Universal. And then start topping it. Put as much pepperoni as you want on there. In retrospect, I wish I would have put a little bit more. I put enough, but I think I should have done about twice as much. I just covered it as much as I could with pepperoni, and this is really hard to watch as I'm getting really, really hungry. And then, since you're at home, hit it with another layer of cheese just to make it extra, extra cheesy. And then get ready to throw that bad boy in the broiler. Keep it on high. Keep it in there for just a few minutes. That cheese is gonna melt really, really quick. And pull it out when you see it melted to the level you want it melted. That looks perfect. And there it is, the obligatory cheese pull. If you tried this recipe, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know what you think. And if you've ever had them at Halloween Horror Nights, let me know how they compare. I'm curious to see if you like the homemade version better or the version at the parks better. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.